Hello my lovely friends. Welcome to Kuki Decor, where we bring you the most creative and inspiring home decor ideas. In today's video, we're diving into the mesmerizing world of stunning organic spiral wood decor, a perfect way to add elegance, movement, and natural beauty to any space. Spiral designs have been a symbol of growth and harmony for centuries, and when crafted from wood, they bring warmth and sophistication into modern interiors. Whether it's a breathtaking spiral staircase, intricately carved wall art, stylish furniture accents, or mesmerizing wooden sculptures, spiral wood decor effortlessly transforms any room into a work of art. In this video, we'll explore the best spiral wood decor ideas, from DIY projects to high-end statement pieces, perfect for homes with rustic, contemporary, or minimalist styles. Get ready to be inspired by the organic flow of these nature-inspired designs, and discover how you can incorporate them into your own living space. Make sure to watch till the end for some incredible pro tips on styling spiral wood decor. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more unique home decor inspirations. Let's get started. Wooden spiral home decor brings a touch of organic elegance and dynamic movement to interior spaces, seamlessly blending rustic charm with modern sophistication. The versatility of spiral designs allows them to be incorporated into various decorative elements, from intricate carvings on furniture to large-scale installations that redefine a room's ambience. The unique interplay of curves and natural wood grain creates a mesmerizing visual appeal, making wooden spiral decor an excellent choice for those looking to add warmth, texture, and artistic depth to their homes. One of the most striking applications of wooden spirals in home decor is in staircases. A spiral wooden staircase can serve as the focal point of a home, blending functionality with artistic expression. Whether crafted from dark mahogany for a rich, dramatic effect or lighter oak for a breezier, contemporary feel, a wooden spiral staircase enhances the aesthetics of any space. The delicate curvature of each step, paired with elegantly carved railings, transforms the staircase into a sculptural masterpiece that elevates the interior design. Beyond staircases, wooden spiral designs make for exquisite wall art. Carved wooden spirals mounted on walls create an intriguing three-dimensional effect, drawing the eye and adding a sense of movement. These pieces can range from simple, minimalist spirals to complex, interwoven designs that mimic the flow of nature. Placed strategically in living rooms, hallways or bedrooms, wooden spiral wall art introduces a sense of fluidity and organic beauty that contrasts with the rigidity of conventional decor. Furniture pieces adorned with wooden spiral elements exude craftsmanship and refinement. Spiral motifs carved into coffee tables, bookshelves, or cabinets introduce an artistic flair, transforming everyday objects into statement pieces. A wooden dining table with spiral legs, for instance, combines structural integrity with an aesthetic that is both whimsical and sophisticated. Similarly, a spiral bookshelf not only provides practical storage but also adds a sculptural element to the room, making it a conversation piece for guests. Another captivating way to incorporate wooden spirals into home decor is through lighting fixtures. Wooden spiral chandeliers or pendant lights create a dramatic interplay of light and shadow, enhancing the ambience of any room. The intricate woodwork diffuses light in fascinating patterns, casting swirling designs on walls and ceilings. These lighting fixtures can be customized to complement various interior styles, from rustic farmhouse settings to contemporary minimalist spaces, making them a versatile and eye-catching addition. Spiral wooden sculptures are also an excellent way to introduce an artistic and organic touch to home decor. These sculptures, often handcrafted from single pieces of wood, showcase the skill and precision of artisans. Whether displayed on mantels, coffee tables, or entryway consoles, spiral wooden sculptures add depth and sophistication to interior spaces. Larger installations, such as floor-standing spiral sculptures, create a dramatic effect, serving as centerpieces that command attention and admiration. Wooden spiral decor extends to smaller decorative accents as well, such as picture frames, mirrors, and clocks. A wooden spiral mirror frame enhances reflections with an artistic twist, making even the simplest of mirrors a striking decor element. Similarly, spiral-designed clocks infuse timepieces with a sense of movement and rhythm, reinforcing the natural flow of life within the home. These subtle yet impactful touches contribute to a cohesive aesthetic that celebrates the beauty of organic forms. For those who appreciate a touch of nature within their living spaces, wooden spiral plant stands and holders provide a harmonious blend of greenery and artistic design. Spiral plant stands allow for multiple levels of plant arrangement, creating a cascading effect that enhances the visual interest of indoor gardens. The flowing design complements the organic nature of plants, making them an ideal addition to any home seeking to merge natural elements with artistic craftsmanship. For those who enjoy DIY projects, wooden spiral decor offers endless opportunities for customization and personal expression. Handmade spiral wooden coasters, candle holders, or jewelry boxes make for charming decorative pieces that add character and warmth to a home. These handcrafted items also make thoughtful gifts, showcasing the beauty of woodcraft and the unique touch of artisanal creativity. Even in outdoor spaces, wooden spiral decor can play a significant role. Spiral-shaped wooden garden trellises support climbing plants, while adding a sculptural element to the landscape. Wooden spiral wind chimes create soothing melodies as they sway with the breeze, enhancing the tranquility of outdoor retreats. Additionally, spiral pathways made of wooden planks introduce a whimsical and inviting element to garden designs, guiding visitors through lush greenery with an artistic flow. Another creative approach to incorporating wooden spirals into home decor is through room dividers and partitions. A wooden spiral room divider introduces a dynamic and fluid separation between spaces while maintaining an open and airy feel. These partitions can be designed with intricate latticework or solid spiral cutouts, offering both functionality and aesthetic appeal. They are particularly useful in open-concept homes, where defined spaces are desired without sacrificing the sense of connectivity. Even doors and cabinetry can benefit from spiral wooden detailing. Cabinet doors with spiral carvings add an unexpected artistic element to kitchens and bathrooms, making everyday storage solutions feel luxurious and unique. Similarly, entrance doors featuring spiral motifs create an inviting and elegant first impression, setting the tone for the rest of the home's interior decor. Textiles and upholstery can also embrace the wooden spiral motif. Wooden spiral inlays on upholstered furniture, such as armchairs and headboards, introduce a subtle yet captivating detail that elevates the overall design. Additionally, spiral-patterned wooden trims on cushions and rugs create a sense of unity and coherence within a space, reinforcing the theme without overwhelming the decor. Incorporating wooden spiral decor into a home is a way to celebrate both the beauty of nature and the artistry of design. The timeless appeal of wood, combined with the fluid and organic nature of spirals, creates a harmonious balance that enhances the ambience of any space. Whether through grand architectural features or subtle decorative accents, wooden spirals bring a sense of movement, elegance, and craftsmanship that transforms interiors into visually captivating and inviting sanctuaries. That wraps up our journey into the world of stunning organic spiral wood decor. We've explored how these mesmerizing designs can bring warmth, movement, and artistic elegance into any space. Whether it's a spiral staircase, intricate wall art, sculptural furniture, or DIY projects, spiral wood decor adds a timeless and natural charm that truly transforms your home. Now it's your turn. Which spiral wood decor idea inspired you the most? Let us know in the comments, we'd love to hear your thoughts. And if you're planning to try any of these ideas, be sure to share your experience with us. If you found this video helpful and inspiring, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to Kuki Decor for more incredible home decor ideas. Also, turn on the notification bell so you never miss an update. Thank you for watching, and stay tuned for more creative and stylish decor inspirations. Until next time, keep bringing nature's beauty into your home with stunning organic designs.